Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. We got some trades planned for tomorrow, Thursday, 02/28/08. Traders, I yelled at you in the screen yesterday and I said, don't fall in love with the upside. And you see what happened. We rallied up today and it started to bend over. I think the market's going to roll over here. Yes, there's a chance it could go higher because no one knows for sure what's going to happen. But I think this market's going to roll over. We got a red OMNI for tomorrow in the S&P, baby. We're going down. And I think that's where we're heading for. Today, in the premium room, we got short the S&Ps. We bought them back right near the lows. We also got really lucky and made a 159-point winning call in the wheat market, in the May wheat today, traders. That's a big, big move, but that's a sick market, so you got to know when to get in and when to jump off that Bronco. But we got lucky there today. We've been having a great week in the premium room and in the other room at the website. And I got some really great charts to show you right now. I want you to come take a look. I have some good reasoning why we will likely go down. Let me show you some charts. You can see that for yourselves. I'll be right back to you, traders. Okay, traders, the first chart I want to show you here is the Dow Jones Transportation Average, the DJTY on the OMNI trading platform. We use our proprietary moving average here. As you can see, I've shown you this chart before, but today it's got more meaning and it bodes well with where we're going in the next day, I think. As you can see, when we're above this average, the market holds well. When we get below it, it breaks down, it goes back up, tests the average, cannot get above it, breaks down, goes back up, and tests the average again, has a big breakdown, runs up, fails at another test, has a breakdown, runs up, and we've had test 1, test 2, and test 3 in just a few days here, traders. We failed at the average again. The indicators are looking bearish, and I think this market is ready to go down. Traders, you've heard me say that the Dow Jones Transportation Average is the leader of the Dow Jones market. That leader is pointing towards the downside, and I think down we're going to go. I got a couple of other charts in the indice arena. I want you to look at them, and maybe you'll understand why. I think we have some downside coming. Hold on, traders. Let me show you the next one. Okay, traders, the next chart I'd like to show you is the March S&P daily bar chart. This is a daily bar, and these three circles I find quite interesting. And look at this, traders. This formation right here, where you rally, have the dip, the second rally, and then the big break, looks very much like this formation where you had the rally, the drop, the second rally, and then the big break. This formation right here looks very similar where you have the rally, the break, the second run up, and then the break. They look very similar, wouldn't you agree? Now look at this, which looks really interesting to me. A parabolic SAR stop and reverse system applied to this chart. Look what I get right here. On this second peak, I get 4 bars. 4 bars of the parabolic and we break. Second peak, 4 bars of the parabolic and we break. Second peak here, we have 3 bars already intact. And the fourth one should show up tomorrow. Now, traders, a parabolic is a trend following system. It's a bit of a lagger. It will show one more dot even if we drop tomorrow, and then it'll turn and it'll start putting the dots above. When the dots are above, it's bearish. When the dots are below, it should be a buy signal. But again, 4 times, break, 4 dots, break, 4 dots. I think we're about to break. Reason number 2 why I am looking for some downside tomorrow in the indice markets. Let's look at another chart. Okay, traders, the next chart I'm about to show you is the Emini Russell, the ER2H8. This is the daily bar chart. Now, we've had this market running inside of what I like to call an apex. You can see the angle right here. I have shown videos about this in the past, and if you come to my website, it's www.livewithoscar.com. I'd be more than happy to show you these techniques. So come on down to the site and let me teach this to you. Another technique I'm looking at is Right now, we've been below this average for quite some time since we started to break down. It's another proprietary average that we like to use at the OMNI Trading Academy. We got right up to that average and started to break down, but another very interesting thing I've done these videos on was this. This apex, most times, and I've proved this in a couple of different sets of analogies, you get market movement through the apex up and down, and then suddenly at the 60% mark it has a false move, turns around, and at the 70 to 75% mark breaks down or breaks up depending upon whether you're bullish or bearish. Now live where we are today, you have the same thing. You have an apex, and if you break it into 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are just now getting near the 60 to 70% mark. I think this is the false move, and down we should go. Reason number 3 why I want to be short these indices tomorrow. Do your own homework on this and tell me what you find. Make sure you come to the site. We'll chat about it tomorrow. Okay, traders, so you've seen the charts. Did you see what that looked like? I don't make this stuff up. This just happens. This is pure technical analysis, and it's telling us that the likelihood is we go down tomorrow. Is there a crystal ball, a guarantee that we're going down tomorrow? Well, absolutely not. There's no such thing. Nobody knows for sure. But if you do enough homework and you keep looking at these indicators and these charts, you will find that the fundamentals come out in the charts first, and the charts are a roadmap to where the market is going next. And I would think we're going down. Even if we rally for a couple of days, I am still a seller of rallies in this market environment. I am still a bear. Okay, traders, I say this all the time. Don't trade alone. Please don't try and do this alone. You see the techniques that we teach here? I can teach them to you. Just come on down to the site. Either join up the open trade talk room where there's a lot of traders there. We do some instructing. Or come on down and have a premium membership where I can help you on a one-to-one basis, and I can teach you how to get this done for yourselves. In those rooms, I'm on video and audio at all times, so you can see me, you can hear me, and I can teach you through my classes I hold every day how to tell where the markets may go. Again, no one has a crystal ball, but we got a pretty good ear here at the OMNI Trading Academy. We know how to listen to these markets. So we will try to make you get the same sort of ear so you can listen to them yourselves. The charts really do speak, traders. That's no lie. Okay, we have a Japanese yen planned for tomorrow, Japanese yen trade planned for tomorrow. We have the Dow Transportation average. We got some really interesting numbers in that average. So again, if you come on down to the site and you chat with me, I'll be more than happy to share these with you. Traders, we have a green OMNI for tomorrow. We had a couple of days rally and we sold the rally. That's a red OMNI, isn't it? Well, don't listen to that Oscar guy because I say it's a red OMNI, not a green OMNI. Anyway, don't fall in love with the upside, traders. Whatever you do, even if we rally a little bit this week, don't fall in love with this upside. Look at the price of gold. Look at the price of silver. Look at these grains. Look at the oils. There is no way these markets are just going to go charging ahead. It's not possible. With that in mind, for tomorrow, in the S&P, the SPH8 for the logs, the ESH8 for the mini contract, OMNI says to sell in the mid to high 1370s. Put your stop in a sensible place, traders. I tell you this all the time. Always put your stops in where you can afford to trade, and always place them first. Always place your stops first. I am telling you, it can save you on the day that news comes out that you're not ready for and the markets just explode before you're ready for them. So get your stops in. All right, traders, we're selling the mid to high 1370s. OMNI's profit objective is the high to mid 1350s on the downside or be out by the close. Place your orders MIT. If you're going to sell it at like a 1370, whatever number you pick, MIT. Market if touched. This way, if the market just touches that number and then drops, you get filled somewhere and you participate in the move. Traders, if you like the techniques I'm showing you in this video, please come on down to my YouTube spot because we have 276 videos, a lot like this one with a lot of techniques for you to learn from, and they are at YouTube. Go to my YouTube spot. It's www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts. When you get there, be sure to subscribe to those videos. This way, the moment we put a video out on YouTube, that will notify you when you go to YouTube that we have a new video. And there's one just about every day with information for the next day's trading. So make sure you check those videos out. Traders, if you'd like, give me a call at 702-629-4755. And as always, shoot me out those emails to oscar@futuresanalysts.com. Guys, anything I need to bring up here?
I think
Covered?
I think you covered.
All right, I think we got it covered. Tomorrow's Thursday, then we roll into Friday. These markets have been insane, so make sure you come join us. Again, don't try to do this alone. We will be here to help you go through every day. We will be holding your hands if that's what you need and getting you through this rough and tumble market. All right, traders, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best ways I can tell you to do that is to say this every day, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.